Happy Teardown Thursday. Today we have another huge company that has a massive amount of lead magnets pointing towards its domain in order to get new customers on a daily basis. Today we're talking about Notion's marketplace template gallery. And the cool thing about this is that a good majority of these templates have not been created by Notion themselves. They've been created by users, and therefore that traffic by users drives to other non-users and creates a cycle that Notion, I know, is benefiting from with all of these lead magnets. Let's go ahead and jump into the actual Notion marketplace template gallery so I can tell you how you can actually implement something like this for your business. All right, here we are in the Notion marketplace gallery, and as you can see up here up top on the search bar, search 30,000 plus templates. So Notion has users creating these templates, and Notion gets traffic from these templates in addition to the actual users getting traffic for their businesses because they've actually created this template. So it's a flywheel between the creators and Notion that benefits both, okay? And I think this is an awesome lead magnet, and this is something that can be implemented in your business. Depending on what type of business you have, you can do something exactly like this. So this is perfect for a SaaS. So maybe in the future, I could have something for Magnetify where people are actually making templates and sharing those templates with others in order to drive traffic. But let's go through this. So there are over 30,000 templates, as you can see, and they have this divided up by different types of categories. And as a non-Notion user, you can come in and you can look at these templates and you can start using some of these templates for free, right? Because I use Notion and I do not have a paid account. You can use a free account, but this gets people in. They also have templates where people are actually selling them. So like I said, this is a marketplace. Here, right here, we have something being sold for $15. Something being sold for $5. So there are a lot of different features here for Notion and for the actual user. So if you click on one of these templates, you can get an overview of the type of template it is, and someone is telling you a little bit more about the template, and then you have the category. So if you are going to create a template for Notion, then you can put all this information in here, and then we have information about the creator too. So like I said, this is pretty cool considering the fact that the creators of this template also get acknowledgement and they also get traffic from creating these templates and putting everything on the Notion marketplace, okay? So you can contact the creator, you can share the template to social media. So there are a few things that we can take away from the Notion template gallery and try to apply it to your business for more leads. So let me go ahead and go over to my notes. So number one is that we have a zero content strategy, right? So Notion, I don't know how many templates Notion has actually created. I'm sure they created some when they first started, but having over 30,000 templates, this is a no-brainer for Notion because Notion is not doing a majority of this work. So they're not even taking the templates and uploading them and categorizing them and everything else. They have it within their system that someone will create a template, upload it, and they're putting in all the information. So basically, the users are creating the content. So this is absolutely genius, right? So number one, the users are creating the content for them that is driving massive traffic to their website. So we know that there are over 30,000 templates, and due to my research, I found out that there are over 1 million downloads, right? Just in the last 2 years. But like I said, Notion didn't even have to do all this themselves. So we also have massive scale through community, okay? So from my research, we have about 51 million template duplications from nearly 11 million people in the last year alone. So this is massive reach, massive reach worldwide, right? And then this is all driven by user-generated content that costs Notion nothing to produce. Like I said, it's all on the creators of the templates to upload everything and put in their information to upload either a free or a paid template. Another thing is that the creator ecosystem drives acquisition. So we know that some creators have built these templates and they have built entire businesses around templates. So as you can see, some of these here are paid. So maybe if I click on this, I can see some more about this person and what they do. But it doesn't necessarily tell me that they have any more templates, but I would guess that they probably do have more templates, okay? Considering the fact that they're selling this one for $15, maybe they have something on their Gumroad. Oh, here we go. So as you can see, so people are creating complete businesses on the back of Notion by creating these templates. And this could be something that you have for your business. And I'm going to say that this template marketplace is a really good lead magnet for a SaaS, okay? If you have a SaaS that creates things and you can get users to create templates that other users can use, and at the same time allow them to do a little bit of advertising by putting their name or their socials on it, then I could see how this could blow up into something big. Maybe not as big as what we have with Notion here, but I can most definitely see that bringing a lot of traffic to your business. So I will most definitely consider this for a future update for Magnetify. So, okay, so as you can see, this particular creator, she had that one $15 template, but as you can see, if I click on her information and I go to her Gumroad, she has a ton, and I'm saying it's a she, I don't know if it's a her or him, sorry. So they have a ton of Notion templates. Like it's going forever. And so we have all different price ranges from free all the way up to $15. So, I mean, just imagine if someone is buying 1,000 of their templates over the course of time, over the course of a month or maybe a couple months. So that really does add up when you're looking at an average order value of about $7 to $15. So pretty cool that Notion has this together to where people can actually use this to actually build businesses and build their business. So what exactly can you steal? So like I mentioned, you can steal by putting in a marketplace for your business. Like I said, this particularly works well with SaaS companies. You can put in a marketplace and it can be a community generated marketplace where community people who are users of your software are actually making templates for other people, okay? So you can turn these customers into content creators, and you can encourage these content creators and these customers to submit their templates, case studies, and giving them recognition. As you can see, if we click on one of these, like I showed you earlier, we know exactly who made the templates here. You can email them, connect with them on social, everything else. And then the numbers, basically. So it's really hard for me to find numbers on some of these lead magnets, but from what I know, as far as Notion is concerned, the gallery expanded from over 600 templates to more than 5,000, with categories growing from 21 different categories to over 250 categories within a year, I believe, right? Bottom line, right now, as of now, they have over 30,000 templates. So I don't think it takes much. So maybe you have a user create 10 templates, right? You have 10 users create 10 templates, that's 100. So it doesn't really take that much to get to that 600 mark in order for things to start to explode. And so I don't know the magic number. I didn't know the magic number for Notion. But I do know that if you just had a pool of creators create templates for your marketplace, that this could grow beyond what you ever imagined, okay? So we also know that Notion actually partners. So I told you that I have a free plan, but with this, if someone is to purchase a template and get a Notion plan, they are also part of their affiliate program, right?
And so they get commission for every new sign up that upgrades to a paid plan for 12 months or so. Okay. So this is pretty cool. So you can interweave this marketplace into your affiliate program as well. So number one, they are driving traffic by having users make templates. Those users have a benefit because they are getting paid, or they get some type of recognition by having their social media channels, their email, and all that good stuff on there for people to contact them. And then they also have the benefit of getting affiliate commissions if someone actually upgrades to a paid plan. So this is perfect for a SaaS company. And so that affiliate program helps both the creator and Notion. Okay, so the creator is making money from the templates, earning recognition, and they're also making money from affiliate sales if they get a paid user, right? And then on the Notion side, Notion is getting this traffic because of the marketplace, and then they are getting potentially new paid customers because of these creators who are making these templates. So it is a win-win for both sides. Okay, so the bottom line is how Notion actually cracked the code on, these scalable lead magnets, because it's like a flywheel. It's going round and round and round, and it's bringing that traffic into Notion, bringing the traffic into people. And so people are more likely to upload templates because they know that they're getting traction too for their business. So they provide the platform and the recognition, like I spoke about, while users create thousands of valuable resources that drive massive traffic and conversion, all without Notion lifting a single finger. So if you can most definitely implement this in your business, I 100% support you, and I think this is an awesome idea. So that's this week's lead magnet breakdown. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure you like the video, make sure you share with others. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'll drop the link down below so you can actually join the lead magnet newsletter, so you can get weekly breakdowns like this of lead magnets and other lead generation strategies for your business. I'll see you on the next video.